Hello everybody. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you are well. As for me, I'm fine too. Alhamdulillah. Today we are here again with a lesson from the Cardinal My First ABC book. I want to say to all before we start our class, listen daily lesson carefully and pay attention and memorize them. Hello, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Anara begun kainaso, asha kori begun gomaso. Alhamdulillah, moyo gomaso. Azia ara Cardinal my first ABC book or aragwa sabak loero hazeroi ara e kala sibari Allah নাম লই শুরু করি দি R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. R. F O R for R O S E rose. R O S E rose. R O S E rose. R for rose. R for rose. R for rose. R for robot. R for robot. R for robot. R. F O R for R O ro. B O T bot robot. R O B O T robot. R O B O T robot. R for robot. R for robot. R for robot. S for sun. S F O R for S U N sun. S U N sun. S U N sun. S U N sun. S for sun. S for sun. S for sun. S for socks. S for socks. S F O R for S O C K S socks. S O C K S socks. S O C K S socks. S for socks. S for socks. S for socks. T for tiger. T for tiger. T. F O R for T I tie. G E R gar tiger. T I G E R tiger. T I G E R tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tiger. T for tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. T F O R for TO2 MA ma tomato. TO2 tomato. TOMA tomato. TO2 tomato. TOMATO tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U. F O for arm. B R E double L A umbrella. Umbrella. U M B R E double L A umbrella. U M B R E double L A umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. U for uniform. U for uniform. U. F O R for uni. F O R M form. Uniform. 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 U for uniform. U for uniform. U for uniform. এখন আরাম বেগুনের মানিগিন চাইলই। R for rose. Rose মানে গোলাপ ফুল। R for robot. Robot মানে robot. S for sun. Sun মানে বেল। S for socks. Socks মানে মোজা। T for tiger. Tiger মানে বাঘ। T for tomato. Tomato মানে থাইয়াম। U for umbrella. Umbrella মানে ছাতি। U for uniform. Uniform মানে uniform. That's it for today. Bye bye. See you later. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.